We have Crypto. He's wearing his collar. But as you can see, he's very comfortable with it. In fact, he wants to play ball. That's how he wants to play. He doesn't notice that he has it on. And we're going to play ball with him. I'm going to take a look at this dog trainer collar. And if you guys can see it, it comes with a tester. So you could test it that it's working, all right? And then different frequencies and different channels. So you got here for shocking, vibrating, and noise. So noise is pretty much it makes some noise. Vibrating, it doesn't vibrate. There it is. And then shock, of course. And then you got your channels, because you can have multiple training collars on dogs, all right? And then you got the volume, all right? Up or down, channel, different channels. You can change channels and the volume of the high density of the shock or the lower it down, all right? Depends on your dog. And of course, they have different caps here, so you can install different ones because every dog's different, and they do have some safety ones. Right now, we're gonna show you guys how it works. So we're gonna test that out, if you guys can see. So right now, two of the shocks are gonna pass through here, all right? So right here, this is how you twist them in, all right? You could twist them in here like this, but make sure it's picking up and you'll see the light bulb. There it is. Right in the center, you can see how much shock you can do. That's volume 1. If you want to increase it, volume to volume all the way to 20. That's pretty much it. Maximum 20. If you want to increase the volume of the 20, you're going to see that it's going to light up even brighter. So in the shock, you're going to hear it and see it. It's powerful. There it is. Look how powerful it is, right? And you could hear it. You could see the light bulbs and how strong it is. All right, there it is. So that's going to give you a little voltage, right? And it's a little like a pinch or two, you know, a little harder for your dog. So it comes with, like I said, volume, vibrations, and channels. And then you can turn it off and on, the actual LED light. So if you want to use it at night, you can. It comes with a clip, and you get to charge both stations, all right? Both stations, you're able to charge them. And this is stretchable. You can remove it and actually add your own if you want. You actually charge it through here and you power it on through here. You can lock it in here. There's a lock button. If you're not using it, it turns off too. So very simple, easy to use. My dog didn't have troubles at all with this collar because he was running around, playing around with it. Yeah, and he didn't even notice that you have, like I said, different clips for different dogs. Hope you guys enjoy the video.